market. Ylan Moy has more on this report from Washington. Ylan.
Morgan, the Fed reiterated that it will act as appropriate to sustain the U.S. economic expansion amid global uncertainty and muted inflation pressures. The Fed characterized U.S. growth as solid and said that the labor market continues to strengthen, but the Fed pointed out that wage growth has remained moderate and that inflation has been below the Fed's 2% goal this year. In the report, the Fed said that it remains firmly committed to its inflation objective. Here at home, the Fed is still forecasting more moderate growth during the second quarter and that the slowdown in business fixed investment could be persistent. Internationally, the Fed said that growth has stabilized during the first half of the year, albeit at a restrained pace. It also said that international financial conditions were supported by accommodative communications by major central banks. Now, as you said, this all comes from the Fed's semi-annual report to Congress. Fed Chair Jay Powell will be testifying on the Hill next week. There was a special section in this report on trade. The Fed found that tariffs lowered U.S. imports by about $70 billion. It also said that higher tariffs are having a material but modest impact on global trade flows, and that uncertainty is weighing on sentiment and business investment decisions. Guys, there was also a special section on how high-skilled versus low-skilled workers have fared in this economy since the Great Recession, and it concluded that periods of low unemployment can particularly help the job prospects of low-skilled workers. Back over to you.